I'm Moira Davidson Copping. I've been with Trenpac for almost 3 years, and here I am the HR Manager and the Workplace Health and Safety Manager. Trenpac is a family business. It's been around for just over 55 years. So we start in the research lab, where we put it together, we manufacture the bottles, we manufacture the product, fill them, label them, and send them out to the stores where they're going to be sold. I think that manufacturing and every other industry has the same sorts of issues like alcoholism, financial issues. Domestic violence is something that we've encountered here, and unfortunately suicide within families. I got onto an organisation up here on the Central Coast. They then provided me with different information on suicide prevention, etc. And in amongst that was the information on the mental health training. I'm a great believer in training managers, team leaders and supervisors. I'm running out all sorts of training for them, frontline leadership and conflict resolution, but I can never replicate what they got out of the mental health training. They were great, and we ran two sessions. They offered us days apart, weeks apart, or they offered us 2 sessions on the one day. Since the training, managers, supervisors, team leaders are all far more confident in dealing with issues.
My name's Chanel Taylor and I'm the Reliability Supervisor in Plastics at Trenpac. I find people now will come to me and say that I need to talk about this rather than me having to look for things that are going on. I think they feel more confident in being who they are and feeling what they feel.
I've worked in many manufacturing sites, and the stigma around mental illness is what discourages people from speaking up. When I started publicising "Are you okay" here, that encouraged people to ask the person next to them, "Are you okay?" There are a lot of people that have been here for a very long time, and sometimes you get that, well, that's the way we've always done it. And then there are those that take the step back and realise that this is a diverse and inclusive organisation, but we're getting the message through. We have a balance of females working in roles where people can go and speak to them, and I think that's important. We also have a selection of male managers here who are also very much in tune with people, who have a good understanding that a performance issue isn't necessarily always a performance issue, and let's get the facts.
It's made it a lot easier to notice changes in people and have conversations with them before it gets out of hand for them. I think it's knowing what services we can provide people and how we can help them, and what our limitations are, how to have a good open conversation with people and let them feel like they're being heard, and how to support them through whatever they're going through.
But for me, a mental healthy workplace is a place where a person can bring themselves to work.
Somewhere that you don't feel judged and you can just be yourself the way you are at home. You can come to work and be like that. And if you have a problem, you can talk to people and not be worried that they're going to judge you on how you feel.